Coffee Liqueur Brownies, the perfect treat for coffee and chocolate lovers. Welcome to our channel where we explore the world of baking and desserts. Today, we're excited to share with you our recipe for coffee liqueur brownies. These indulgent treats are perfect for anyone who loves the rich taste of coffee and chocolate. They're easy to make and guaranteed to impress your friends and family. So, let's get started. To make our coffee liqueur brownies, we'll need the following ingredients. 1 cup of all-purpose flour. 1 cup of sugar. 1/2 cup of cocoa powder. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. 2 eggs. 1/4 cup of coffee liqueur. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, in a large mixing bowl, combine the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, salt, and baking powder. Mix well until everything is evenly combined. Next, add the vegetable oil, eggs, coffee liqueur, and vanilla extract to the dry ingredients. Mix until the batter is smooth and well combined. Finally, fold in the chocolate chips. Grease a 9 by 9 inch baking dish with cooking spray or butter. Pour the brownie batter into the dish and spread it out evenly. Bake in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Once the brownies are done, let them cool for a few minutes before slicing and serving. You can enjoy these coffee liqueur brownies on their own or with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. And that's it. Our coffee liqueur brownies are the perfect dessert for any occasion. We hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a try in your own kitchen. If you did, don't forget to let us know how it turned out in the comments below. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes like this one. Thanks for watching. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.